Hey creative minds, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create fun, engaging, educational kids activity books. Even if you are not a designer or a teacher, whether you're a parent, content creator, an aspiring author, this step-by-step guide will help you turn simple ideas into exciting activity pages kids will love. So, grab your notepad or your laptop. Let's bring these exciting ideas to life. Okay, this is the Canva template. You come to this place, this section, and scroll through. Click on more here. Layout and sizes. Click on this first one. These are different templates for kids activity books. We have tracing, line tracing, addition and subtraction, line tracing, animal alphabets, preschool alphabet workbook. Select, click on anyone, choose anyone depending on your choice and the type of activity book you intend to create. You can edit the template if you want to edit it to your taste. Then click on the download icon on top to download the templates.